Good morning, welcome back. As of right now, today, at this moment, I've been doing a lot of trading since January 1st, and what we're currently doing is mostly we're writing spreads, taking premium, keeping premium. That's what's working, and it's working consistently, so that's what we're doing now. We're mostly doing verticals and iron condors. We were doing them 0 DTE only on specs, but now we're sort of playing with 0-day expiration and 1 day to expiration. So I'm kind of going to talk you through it. What we're doing is basically 2 trades a day. So let me see if I can pull up the daily movement so I can show you that, because that would really help. And of course I don't have it. Let's just look at this for right now. We'll see if I can pull it up. Here we go. We're looking at the S&P. That's what we trade. So if you can look, what we're looking at is how much does SPY move on a day-to-day basis. So if you can see here, what's today? Today's the 10th. We're already down 1.13%. Since this year, it's moved twice. One day was January 31st. The other day was February the 22nd. On February, it actually moved like 2.11%. And then on the January 31st, I think it was like 1.6 or maybe 1.7, 1.8, somewhere in there. But those are the highest days for this year. If you go back to last year, price only moved, I think it was 6 times it moved more than 1.5% in a single day. And then over like 1.8% in a single day, or let's just say 1.75%, it was maybe 2 or 3 times that entire year. So we decided, statistically, if we go up 1.5% or we go down 1.5%. Now let me show you what we're doing. What we're doing is mostly iron condors. So this is the top range, this is the bottom range. Right now I think I have these set at about 80 points. So 80 points down from where price currently is, and then 80 points up from where price currently is. It looks actually higher. It may be 90 or 100, but if we do 5150, which is the current price of SPY, or 5155, and we multiply that by 1.5%, the number was like 77 or 78 points. So in theory, SPY should not move more than 77 points in either direction, statistically, unless it's just a wild day. And of course, CPI came out today, so it's technically a heavy news day, a heavy wild day, and they got the FOMC meeting later today. So currently we're in something. Basically, let me pull over the SPY. We're already in the play. What we did was, let me delete this. We did a 525. We're doing iron condors. So your top level, your bottom level. Our top is 5.2. Let me see if I can I can just put it right here. We entered at point. Well, my friend, he entered at 0.50. I entered at 0.40. And we just gonna ride this thing on down. That's where we entered it. Well, that's the play. That's not our entry, but that's the play we did. I got more than one contract. I've been analyzing the order. So if I can show you the analyst order, the max loss is, let me go back to one contract. At one contract, the max loss is $465. The max win was whatever your entry was. So like his is 50, mine is 40. This is per contract. So the win to lose ratio, it's like 1 to 10. It freaking sucks. But with how wide it is, like I genuinely doubt if you lose this. So what we're doing this, we're holding this. We're gonna hold this thing out, because even if, let's see if I can move, even if price comes down towards this, look at this huge demand we have right here. So regardless, price has to react to that, and I'll probably set an alert right there. I'll move that down just in case. Now, and then same way, if price goes up here, price has to react to that supply zone is up there. So we're gonna hold this one throughout the day. Then around maybe 12 or 1 or 2 o'clock, we're gonna hold another IC from that time until tomorrow morning. So with that one, we're holding overnight to capture that premium. This is pretty much what I'm going to be doing for the rest of whenever until we find something better or whatever. It just keeps working because it's working so far. Like we've only lost like twice or 2 or 3 times this year. And when we did lose, our spreads were way thinner. Now we've widened it out. Yeah, it's slower, it's less money, but what we're worried about is definite wins.